Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's Light Up Your Life topic, we'll talk about tips to get rid of addictions. Addictions means food, smoking, gambling, spending money, video games, play, sex. These are all sometimes extremes. It may be a problem only. With all these, some other addictions, alcohol, drug abuse, all these are very very problematic. If we make that one as a habit, it's very difficult to lead a normal life. It leads to physical health problems. With all these, it may be a chance to get psychological well-being also. It gives changes in physical appearance, weight loss or a weight gain, even hygiene also. So, drugs are chemicals that change the way a person's body works by altering emotions and thoughts. After alcohol, cannabis, and opiates, also substance abuses. It leads to poor performance at workplace. Even we may miss our good relations in the society. Alcohol is the most common psychoactive substance used by Indians between the age group of 10 to 75 years. It's a national survey telling. With all this 14.6% of Indians having this one, so it is very very necessary to rid of these addictions. If you see this photo, we are getting how people are suffering with as addictions. Even if we have that habit, we can't concentrate on our day to day life also. We don't know how to plan our work. We may miss all the activities, even we are not that much interested to spare time with our closed one because it keeps away by bad habits also. So it is very, very important to stop these addictions in the primary level. It extremes, it is necessary to consult a therapist. Otherwise, it gives problem not only to the family, even to the other people also. Even with that one, we may suffer with financial crisis. It extremes, there is a chance to get some depression and frustration. Extremes, it leads to the suicide also. Maybe anxiety disorder, memory loss. Uh, we may miss all the love and affection from our closed one also. So it is necessary to stop these addictions in primary level. So don't feel to consult a therapist if it extremes the addictions in our life. Addiction is an inability to stop using substance or engaging in a behavior even though it is causing psychological and physical harm. Substances mean not only heroin and cocaine, even activities of gambling, eating, or working also. It reduces self control, how to behave. Even we may miss all these, whatever we learn from our childhood onwards. By addiction, we may miss all these values, how to interact, all this. Distress causes to attempt to take substance for relief. But it's not correct. Even we have think in a proper way, we got so many chances to relief from distress also. Even a pregnant woman takes substances lead to fetal damage or even death in fetus also. The chronic symptoms lead to depression, self-harm and suicide. Many people not willing to take treatment for addiction. They are not having that much consciousness to take care of themselves. They will be very serious in taking of all these. They are ready to spend more money to avail all these substances also. It makes them to failure to take in decision making to protect their health. So it is very very important to take precautions in the primary level only to behave normal. It extremes very difficult to survive. Financial crisis, then unemployment, even sexual involvement, exam failures, breakup relations, these are all possible to by addiction also. So it's very, very important to get rid of addictions. We discussed several points how addictions are harming to our health. So it is necessary to follow some of the therapies to get rid of the addictions. When there is a will, there is a way. This type of willpower strengthens stay away from these temptations. So it may be a cognitive behavioral therapy, visual techniques. Visualize is there. If you imagine a right way, we can perceive in a positive way, we may get good thoughts. Visualization technique is very, very important. It is one of the mental image. If you imagine in a right way, you may get that thought. You can determine your life to change your habits also. Even start to love yourself. It makes your mind very strong. Try to start eating nutritious food. Take some family support. Even though they will be away from your bad habits, all these, try to change all these to maintain your good relations, to change your habits. Slowly, you can improve your relations. It may be in the family, it may be in the society. Breaking off bad habits by positive thinking strengthens your mind to be sober also. Try to get counseling. Don't hesitate to consult a therapist. If you get any change in your mind, you wanted to get rid of the reductions, you are unable to capable to solve your problem, try to take the help of a counselor. Then taking care of yourself by doing some exercise, good sleep, then socialization makes you get some change from your bad habits. Detoxification is a normally first step to rid of the addictions. Then you slowly day by day some changes in your thoughts, then you can stick on your mind to reach your destination. Then it makes you to be happy by getting the changes. It may be a behavioral therapy, occupational therapy also very, very useful for you to get rid of the addictions. If you take that one as a trust, confidence on you, you can get rid of your addictions. If you have any doubt, you can visit my website http://nalinipelluru psychologist.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.